Hi friends, welcome back to Feathernest Cottage. It's Miss Heather here, and we are going to go off into the wild woods to explore. While we're there, we are going to learn to make pine needle tea. First, we're going to harvest the tea. So we need some scissors, and we also need a bag to put the pine needles in. We're also going to need either an app or a book that's going to help us identify the pine. There are many different kinds of pine trees out there, and there are 4, unfortunately, that are poisonous or toxic to humans. And you don't want to eat that pine. But luckily, there aren't many chances of running into that kind of pine because there are so many kinds of pine. The majority of pine are healthy and delicious and very wonderful to eat. They can be made into a tea that has lots and lots of vitamin C. So let's get all of our tools and everything we need. Don't forget to grab your mom and dad. And we're gonna march off into the woods, and I'm gonna show you where I collect my pine needle tea. So get ready to roll up those sleeves. Well, maybe not roll up those sleeves, but in your imagination, roll up those sleeves if it's cold outside like it is out here. And get ready to learn something from long ago. Welcome, friends, to the forest. I like to play a little bit before I forage. I found the pine, and now it's time to slowly harvest from the tree herself. Carefully, I only take the greenest needles and only what I need. Just 2 handfuls per person in your family will do. Thank you, guys. And then I thank her, the mighty pine. Then back to Feathernest Cottage we go. After I wash the pine, I cut the needles into small pieces. I like to mix the needles with my favorite tea plants. Here I have rose petals and chamomile flowers. This is perfect for a nice cup of tea. Then I boil some spring water. I put 1 teaspoon per person and 8 ounces of water per person. The recipe is below. When it's ready, I pour the hot water on top of the tea. I let it sit for 10 minutes and then I strain it. Now it's ready to pour into teacups to drink. Oh my! Look at how clear water has become yellow or even brown. This means the plant essence is now in the water, so it's just like you are drinking the forest. Tea is comforting and relaxing and wonderful with a story. If you want to tell me about your tea blend or draw me a picture, you can ask your mom or dad to help you email it to me. The email is below in the description. And remember, friends, live what you love and love what you live. Because you are amazing, you know. You, just the way you are. Thanks, friends, for coming to join me today. And I hope you learned a lot. Bye!